Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming access. Sign into Google Drive and locate the files you want analyzed. Once done, choose whether you'll copy shareable links into ChatGPT or use the ChatGPT Drive plugin if you have it. Make sure to set permissions so ChatGPT can read them. Either change to anyone with link for quick sharing or add specific emails for tighter control. Now create a dedicated folder to keep versions organized and move every file you'll reference into that folder. Next, produce accessible links or connect the plugin. For links, right-click a file, choose Get Link, set the permission, and copy the URL. For the plugin, open ChatGPT, enable the Drive integration, and complete the OAuth grant so it can access your folder. Once connected, paste links or reference files in a single prompt to give context. Make sure to name files clearly and, if needed, add a short instruction like, summarize this doc, so ChatGPT knows the task and target file. Finally, run the task. Ask ChatGPT succinctly what you want. Summarize, extract bullets, compare two files, or draft an email using document content. If ChatGPT reports it cannot access a file, first reconfirm the shared link permission and then reauthorize the Drive connection. Sometimes revoking and granting OAuth fixes stale tokens. Make sure to keep a local backup of originals, and when you're done, revoke or tighten sharing to protect sensitive data. That single troubleshooting step often resolves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.